is so much fun. On the beach. 3, 4, 5. She would up. 6. See, let me write. It's Mauritius Avy, baby. Any other Mauritius Avy is a counterfeit. Any other Mauritius Avy is a counterfeit.
Look at this.
We are hiking.
Yeah.
Hiking. Yeah, go front. Go front. Be careful. Hey, be careful. Oh boy.
Welcome to Voracious EFE, where hearts unite. We stand with the vulnerable in their darkest night. Advocates for change, with a guiding light. Together we can make it, everything's gonna be alright. Join our journey, let's explore. Social work, lifestyle, and so much more. Motivation and faith, let's open that door. Voracious CFE, that's what we're here for. Sharing knowledge, exchanging our dreams. Empathy and kindness flowing in streams. We lift up the distressed.
Don't run, don't run.
Voracious CFE, that's what we're here for. Sharing knowledge, exchanging our dreams. Empathy and kindness flowing in streams. We lift up the distressed with love and esteem in this community. We're a powerful team. Join our journey, let's explore. Social work, lifestyle, and so much more. Motivation and faith, let's open that door. Voracious CFE, that's what we're here for. Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, share. Let's spread the word, show the world we care. In every heartache, we'll be there. Voracious CFE, love everywhere. Oh, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, share. Let's spread the word, show the world we care. In every heartache, we'll be there.
Wow.
Voracious CFE,
Almost
love
there.
everywhere. Love everywhere. Join our journey, let's explore. Social work,
Whoa.
lifestyle,
Look at that beauty.
and faith. Let's open Voracious CFE, that's what we're here for. Together we rise, together we stand. With empathy, kindness, hand in hand. Voracious CFE, across the land. Join our community, let's expand.
He shocked you.
That's what we're here for.
Don't go too fast. No, it was actually fun that we walked down.
We stand.
Walking down was more fun than.
Kindness, hand in hand. Voracious CFE, across the land. Join our community, let's expand.
This is as if you're hiking.
Welcome to Voracious.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good, good.
We stand with the vulnerable in their darkest night. Advocates for change with a guiding light. Together we can make it. Everything's gonna be alright. Join our journey, let's explore. Social work,
Whoa! We need to take a picture. Scary. Hold my hand. Whoa, look at the beach. Wow.
sharing knowledge, exchanging our dreams. Empathy and kindness flow in streams. We lift up the distressed with love and
We found the beach.
And some water coming in.
Wow. Don't go too far.
knowledge, exchanging our dreams. Empathy and kindness flow in streams. We lift up the distressed with love
Our shoes are going with sand.
community.
No, come. Come, don't run, please, don't run there.
Let's explore social work, lifestyle, and so much more.
Say hello for Taylor.
Our camera.
Daddy, say hello, camera. Hello.
Okay, close. Don't get close. Okay, close. No.
Oh.
No way.
My leg is soaked. My leg is soaked.
It's Mauritius Avy, baby. Any other Mauritius Avy is a counterfeit. Any other Mauritius Avy is a counterfeit. It's holiday, baby. What do you say about the holiday?
We're in now for another holiday.
Yeah?
The beach.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're having a fun year.
Yeah?
That's great.
Talk to what you say to my audience.
Yeah, audience. Welcome to another holiday.
Yeah.
Holiday season with the family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, baby want me to carry her. Oh. Baby want me to carry her. Wow. This is beautiful. You want to wash your hands? You are in the beach, don't worry. You're going to wash your hands and bathe. Whoa. This is therapy. This is therapy.
This is so much fun.
So we've just come out of the beach. Look at my leg. Take a look at my leg. Oh boy. This is result of beach sand. Look at my son's leg. Everybody shit. We're going to come back. Yeah. We have 5-day holiday here. We are going to come back another day. We come back here another day. Everyone is tired right now. Let's go back to our caravan.
Getting closer.
Yeah, let's go back to our caravan. Rest for today. You know, we came here yesterday and we literally didn't do anything yesterday. We were resting. So today we started the phone. The phone have just begun. See my daughter. She's tired. We're walking back to our holiday inn. Ooh, I'm tired. This is so much fun, guys. You need to visit this place. Alright, catch. Everybody's tired. They say, come on. Come on. Right. We need to take our shoes off. Oh, take your shoe off, yeah. Oh, yeah. Take it off. Oh, yeah, take it up. Ooh. Bring your stockings too. This one?
Look at my foot. Look at my foot.
You have a lot of sand in there. No, wait.
Very feet. Yeah, I have some feet buried.
Come, let me clean some of the sand. Come here. When you come back from the beach, what do? I don't know what happened. When you come back from the beach, what do? All of this you shift first. You order pizza. Pizza. What's in here? Oh no, it's not just. Oh, I need to open it. So this is chicken. I hope I will like this their sauce, yaki. They would have just put it without the sauce. Their sauce is always very sugary and I don't know. Papa John's. Papa John's. My husband said you're the best pizza so far. Honestly, I'm used to my Domino's though, but let's see. So this is barbecue pizza. We have another one here, pepperoni pizza. Anyway, this chicken, their sauce, I don't know, Shabo. Let me cover it and get plates to eat. You told me to pass like this. I said it. That's going to be sugary.